In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that October 27 is the most tragic day of Kashmir's history, as on this fateful day in 1947, India emerged as colonial power and robbed the Kashmiris of their all fundamental and basic rights enshrined in the UN Human Rights Charter. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe this day as Black Day and give a clear message to the world that they will never accept the Indian illegal occupation of their homeland. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah, speaking to the Bloc Committee Kupwara members at party headquarters in Srinagar, has said that collective efforts are needed to defeat Bharatiya Janata Party and its local cronies for the overall welfare of the local people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Narendra Modi-controlled regime has served a notice to the People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti to vacate her bungalow in the high-security Gupkar area of Srinagar. Mehbooba Mufti told media men in Srinagar that the notice to vacate the house was served to her a few days ago. This has not come as a surprise and is along the expected lines. Illegally detained All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Aalam Butt, paying rich tributes to the Bijbehara martyrs on the eve of their martyrdom anniversary, has reaffirmed the Kashmiris' resolve to continue their struggle till realization of their inalienable right to self-determination. An Indian military chopper crashed in Indian state Arunachal Pradesh. The chopper advanced light helicopter crashed near Minging village 25 kilometers away from the shooting headquarters in the Upper Siang district of the state. Pakistan has categorically rejected the malicious campaign against Pakistan by Indian media ahead of the Financial Action Task Force plenary meeting in Paris, France.